Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be talking a little bit about what happened on our trip to Charleston. So in our Model Y, we did actually go down to Charleston, and trip was great and everything. But unfortunately, we did get our windshield cracked, and I believe it was from a rock uh, that came off of a truck, or a truck, shot it up. We did have actual multiple times on the trip where we did hear a rock hit the glass or the car somewhere. I didn't see anything in the paint or anything. And actually, I didn't notice it on the windshield that it was cracked, even though there was one that was specifically very loud, and I assumed that was probably the one that cracked the windshield. Ultimately, we went out to Top Golf, and when we came back to the car, unfortunately, there was about a 1 foot long crack in the windshield, and it actually started from the edge and then just shot across right in front of the driver, of course, the worst place for it to be. Um, so couldn't really do anything about it at the time because we were on vacation, and I didn't want to deal with trying to get some glass repair out there at the time and work with insurance and all that. Actually, come to find out that our insurance, I have a deductible higher than what it's going to cost for the windshield repair anyway, so basically gonna have to be all out of pocket. And honestly, I would rather Tesla do it so that I know that it's done properly. But unfortunately, that is going to be a lot of money. It turns out it's about $1,400, $1,435 or so. But it's for that repair. And if you don't have a service center close by that actually has the glass in stock, it could be something that you have to take it pretty far away, because it actually wasn't available in the service center that's closest to us. So it's actually a Tesla collision repair center, and the closest one to us was about 20 minutes away, which not too bad. But again, it would be better if it was the one that was actually only like 10 minutes away from us, so that it would be a little bit more convenient. And also, I don't know how long it's going to take. The one that is that closest one, it's about a week out for doing that repair. But I suspect that there's other service centers on there that we're going to take out like 2 weeks or 3 weeks out. So it's really going to be dependent upon your area, how convenient or soon you're going to be able to get something like that fixed. So I don't know, maybe it'd be better to go with like Safelite or whoever that would hopefully be able to get the glass in stock sooner. But again, with the camera housing and everything with FSD, I don't know that I fully trust that they would do it properly. And then also, they're really not going to be on the hook if something goes wrong with that, because you often say that they're not responsible for the calibration and that sort of thing. So that makes me think that, well, they're not going to even know if they did it right, and then they're going to pass blame to uh, Tesla or the customer that they didn't do the camera calibration right. So anyway, it's going to be better to do it through Tesla, I think. But I am going to try doing a glass repair. I do have a windshield repair kit. It worked really good for just like a small, like spider, like a crack that was only like 1 inch in diameter out, and that worked very well on the other windshield that we have for our. I think it was on the Chevy Volt. So that worked really well for that. This one's only designed to go for like 12 inches or less cracks, and I haven't used it on a crack that is this big. At this point, it is unfortunately larger than 12 inches. While we were on vacation, I did find a trick that you could do, and you can put nail polish, like clear nail polish, on there, and that's supposed to help keep it together. I don't know if that worked very well. It did keep it from spreading by more than 1 inch. That's about how much more it spread after we had put that nail polish over it. So it was just clear nail polish. But on the way home, We did have to use the windshield wipers a lot because it was raining really hard, actually, and it actually wiped off most of the nail polish that we'd actually put on there. So hard to say whether that did anything for us or not. Again, I'm going to try the windshield repair kit to see if I can kind of delay this repair a little bit. And we're also using our other car, while we have this going on. So that's it. That's what's going on with the windshield. And I will probably give an update of when we actually do get it repaired and how that went. I don't expect there to be any trouble with it, but the thing I'm most wondering about is how long it's actually going to take to do the repair, like whether it's just going to be quick, like Safe Life. Back in the day, they would just do it in like an hour, like in your parking lot. They would just come to you and just replace your windshield. But obviously with the camera housing now and doing the recalibration, maybe that takes a little bit longer. So I don't know. We'll see. But I'll give an update on that when that occurs. But anyway, and also probably give an update on how the windshield repair kit is doing and whether that's actually seems to be preventing the crack from getting any bigger. All right, so a quick follow-up. I did actually do the glass repair twice on this. You can still see it. However, I mean, really, if you're at the 45-degree angle, like the repair kit says, it is very, very slightly visible. I mean, so you really just have to be at the right angle to catch it, to see that it is cracked. So it should hold a lot better. And also, I went into the Tesla app to schedule the service, see what other times were available, and the price actually changed. So now it's actually $1,340. Still a lot of money. So I'm still kind of delaying that as much as I can, but at least, I don't know, waiting for some reason changed the price. So maybe, maybe if I wait longer, it'll be even cheaper. I don't know. But anyway, that's just the update on this. I think it's, in pretty decent shape as far as lasting. You can't really feel the crack very much anymore, even though that's where it actually hit. Hard to focus in there. But yeah, it looks a lot better than it did before, and hopefully will hold longer. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.